Best wishes and best regard to Dr. Pani and friends. May we all be healthy and happy. I'm Iwan Perdana. I will present the GRO 60104 Research for Education course assignment guided by Dr. Pani. The title of my thesis proposal is The Influence of Transformational and Transactional School Leadership Style on Teachers' Motivation in Banjarmasin. As an introduction, employee motivation is an essential factor for the accomplishment of organizational goals. Jaran Rajak Mujtaba 2015. Teachers with strong motivation create a better social, psychological, and physical environment for their students, so that they improve the school achievement, and this process increase teachers' willingness to participate in improving the education process. Semak and Sapira 2016. The principal leadership can also have an impact of teacher work motivation. Masri Herjala and Ara 2019 show that the principal support for the teachers is a significant factor influencing their motivation. Background. The productivity of the teachers largely determines the success of the school. Furthermore, the quality of teachers' productivity is highly dependent on their motivation to carry out their activities which impact on teaching process, as stated by Hanusik and Ripkin 2006, who claim that the quality of education depends on the quality of teachers. Ryan and Deci, 1985, distinguish between different sorts of motivation based on different reasons or goals that give rise to an action. Intrinsic motivation refers to doing something because it is inherently interesting or enjoyable. And extrinsic motivation refers to doing something because it leads to separable outcome. Ryan and Deci, 2000. The leadership style of school teachers is an essential element in determining school achievement. Twin, Muhammad and Ishak 2021. Transformational and transactional leadership have been central concepts in both public and private sector leadership research. Judge and Pico 2004 and Panwar 2013. It is fascinating to investigate the impact of the transformational and transactional leadership style advocated by Bass 1985 on teachers' internal motivation, as determined by Ryan and Deci 1985, and external motivation as determined by Ryan and Deci 2002. Here, the following are some recent research findings related to the research I will be conducting. The purpose of this research is to know the impact of the transformational leadership style and the transactional leadership style on the internal and external motivation of teachers they lead, which includes several dimensions so that the principal can make the information produced as an alternative to be implemented in schools. The study aims to determine the extent of the influence of the principal's leadership style on the motivation of the teachers he or she leads at school. It is vital to be done to consider every leader in the school to increase teachers' work motivation. Statement of the problem. Several previous studies have described teachers' motivation and the factors that influence their motivation. Here, the author presents a different problem because the dimension and indicators of the same teacher's motivation observed are not the same as previous research. The dimensions observed in this research are divided into internal motivation and external motivation, Ryan and Deci 2002. I will examine indicators in the dimension of teacher motivation, whether influenced by transformational leadership style, with dimension of ideal vision, inspirational motivation, intellectual stimulation, and individual consideration, and transactional consideration with dimension of contingent reward and management by exception, Bass 1985. The response to the research question is the research hypothesis. There are 8 hypotheses which are as follows. The study is expected to be a significant factor for principals who want to boost teacher motivation by using a leadership style based on the teacher's condition. This discovery is also likely to provide fresh insight and references for future study on transformational and transactional leadership style and teachers' motivation. In this study, I used 3 key theories. 1. Motivation theory, which include intrinsic and extrinsic motivation theory. 2. Transformational leadership theory. And 3. Transactional leadership theory. Ryan and Deci, 1985, notion of intrinsic motivation, which I then use as the basis for developing a questionnaire as well as of public perspective 2004. According to Ryan and Deci 2002, the questionnaire is based on the theory of extrinsic motivation as well as the theory of RIP 2001. The transformational and transactional leadership theories that I use are based on Bass Theories 1985. The conceptual framework of the research is described as follows. The dependent variable, namely teacher's motivation, which consists of intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation, is influenced by two independent variables. Transformational leadership, which consists of idealist vision, inspirational motivation, intellectual stimulation, and individualized consideration. Transactional leadership variables consist of contingent reward and management by exception. This study used a causal comparative design using a sample of 100 samples from a population of 1,120 teachers in Banjarmasin City's public junior high school. Hare et al. Theories was used to determine the number of samples to be used 2018. The questionnaire for data collection was adapted from Bass Theory 1985 for transformational and transactional leadership, while for collecting data on intrinsic motivation was adapted from Ryan and Deci Theory 1985 and extrinsic motivation from Ryan and Deci Theory 2002. To collect data, I carry out procedure such as asking permission from the head of the Banjarmasin Education Office, the principal, then meeting with the teacher to explain the aims and objectives of the research. Questionnaire will be distributed to 20 teachers as a pilot project. Questions that are declared valid will be distributed to 100 samples. Once collected, it will then be analyzed and displayed in a research report. After the data is collected, I perform analyze prerequisite tests including normality, linearity, multicollinearity, and heteroscedasticity. Then analyze the data by conducting a different test to measure the extent of the difference in the influence of the leadership variables on teacher motivation through regression analysis by conducting the t-test and f-test. Here are some references that I use. That's all of my presentation I can do. Thank you so much, Dr. Pani, for the opportunity given to me.